so in 1983, Venerable Aloysius Schwartz got a Ramon Magsaysay Award for his work in Korea, not for his work in the Philippines, because there was no such thing as the Sisters of Mary in 1983. So our researchers, this is what we do, the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation is a 66-year-old foundation that was initially funded and founded by the Rockefeller Brothers of New York. But their goal was to find ordinary people doing extraordinary things in Asia. And here is the story.
Wow.
So this can be found, it talks about why he won the award, what is his advocacy, what has he been doing, and some interesting facts about him.
Wow.
22-year-old Indian young man. He's from India.
Wow, well done.
So because not all of them had pictures, and not all of them were nice, not all of them speeches as everybody mentioned. So this is for your sisters. And just so you know, the one of Mother Teresa is now in her room. My voice is strong enough so you can all hear me. First of all, I would like to thank the Sisters of Mary so much for inviting us today to witness and to honor this wonderful, I would say, event for honoring the Venerable Al Schwartz. You know, yung kanta kanina really touched me, yung Pass It On. Favorite. And yung bang spark that starts the fire. So I'm so honored actually to tell you that I represent an organization that's exactly what we do. We start fires. And so in 1983, Venerable Aloysius Schwartz got a Ramon Magsaysay Award for his work in Korea, not for his work in the Philippines, because there was no such thing as the Sisters of Mary in 1983. So our researchers, this is what we do, the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation is a 66-year-old foundation that was initially funded and founded by the Rockefeller Brothers of New York. But their goal was to find ordinary people doing extraordinary things in Asia. And so there was this American priest, okay, that when you look at some of our research files, which I would love to share with Sister Tess, Sister Elena one day, we had research, and it said there is this young priest in Korea that left his homeland in America to give his life and service to the people of Korea in Busan because of what happened during the Korean War. And he was so focused to yung mga naulila, the orphaned ones in particular, and the widows and the widowers. And so he came to Manila to get this honor, because the honor is given to people in Asia that give solutions to problems. But solutions are not enough. You have to have greatness of spirit. And greatness of spirit is defined as a person that has that internal moral compass, that constantly goes and helps people outside of himself or herself, and that is constantly thinking of what is better for the greater good. And that was the Venerable Aloysius Schwartz.
Wow, Viva!
Awarding ceremony in Manila, he met this man by the name of Cardinal Sin. And they started to talk because they were both religious. And Cardinal Sin asked him point blank, "Can you please help the children of the Philippines?" And that's how it started. And so talk about a spark that turns into a fire. I mean, I just like to thank all your donors, all your supporters, the sisters, because this fire, I mean, talk about the fire is ablaze. Not just now in Korea, in the Philippines, I'm here in Mexico, Tanzania. I mean, it's amazing. And of course, we know these things do not happen without divine intervention. It does not happen by man's work alone. And so it is our pride and honor to really claim the Venerable Aloysius Schwartz as a Magsaysay awardee.
Yeah.
Anniversary, we put all these stories together. We thought it was only going to be one book. And the one book turned into 7 books. And it's 15 kilos. It's 15 kilos. Look at that. And it talks about the 348 Ramon Magsaysay awardees from 22 countries all over Asia. And here is the story.
Wow.
So this can be found, it talks about why he won the award, what is his advocacy, what has he been doing, and some interesting facts about him. Okay? I'm not going to tell you what it is, so you all read it. So you will have 2 sets of this. Okay? But I also would like to invite all of you to come to the Ramon Magsaysay Center. It is alive and well. We are in the process of modernizing. We're not there yet. But hopefully we'll have our own little museum, and we would love to have something as well that talks about Venerable Aloysius. But aside from that, we also have a coffee shop. And we are claiming that we have the best coffee in all of Rojas Boulevard. Okay, so, and then we also want to add this. This was a commissioned portrait, so every Magsaysay award, it was so difficult. Because let me tell you, in 1982, there was also an obscure nun that we were researching. Of course, I wasn't there yet. But this nun was being researched, and we were asking for a curriculum vitae. The nun said, and I have a card, it's now in the museum. It says, dear, I think at that time the executive director was Nora, I forget the name, but anyway, it just said something like, I'm sorry, I have no curriculum vitae. May God bless you. M. Teresa.
Oh, Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa of Calcutta in 1962. She too won the Ramon Magsaysay.
Wow.
In 1959, a 24-year-old young man who was leading his country from Tibet to India also won a First Emergent Leader Award. 24-year-old, the Dalai Lama.
Oh, wow.
So we have so many stories that I hope, sisters, you will make this required reading for your students just so they can get inspired. Because there are so many wonderful stories, difficult stories, challenging stories of men and women that have overcome, just like the Venerable Aloysius. But other than that, so this is the commission portrait.
Wow. Wow.
22-year-old Indian young man. He's from India.
Wow, well done.
So because not all of them had pictures, and not all of them were nice, not all of them speeches, as everybody mentioned. So this is for your sisters. And just so you know, the one of Mother Teresa is now in her room in Calcutta.
Wow.
So if ever some of you go there and you see the portrait, it comes from Ramon Magsaysay.
Wow.
Sister. Here, which I
Mabuhay ang Ramon Magsaysay at mabuhay si Father Al! Yes, po.
Thank you very much.